Okay, we're going to go over an ab rollout and how to do these correctly. So it seems like every time I watch someone do these, they're doing them wrong, and they feel a lot of discomfort or pain in their back. And if you're having that experience, well, more than likely you're doing them wrong. So this is how we want to start. I like using some pad or yoga mat will help, will work, but just you don't need to have any added pressure to your knees. So what I do to get set up first is take the wheel, and I want to get on top of the wheel. If I show you from front, I create like I'm squeezing a beach ball. So I create my arms here like I'm squeezing, and I want you to think about um, getting a big back and spreading your scaps apart. So I want to create a big back, and I want my hands to stay on top of the wheel, the handles of the wheel. That's the first thing I want to do. So that's the correct way. The incorrect way is bringing your shoulder blades together and having a straight arm. So when you extend, you're doing this to your back, or your hips are going out and your arms are straight and my hands aren't on top of the wheel. So what I do is I'm on top of the wheel here. I get a big back, and as the wheel moves forward, as I roll it forward, my hips have to go with it. And I'm still staying on top of the wheel. My hands are still on top here. And I'm able to return back. And I feel no pain in my back or any discomfort. I'll show you from this angle. So here, I'm big. This, I keep my feet attached. I just like being connected there. And then I roll forward. I'm on top of the wheel. My back is strong. And then I come up together. My hips and my hands are all in unison. So again, from the side here, I get my feet attached, big back, roll out. I'm on top of the wheel with my hands, you can see, because I can push up, and then I come back up. And that should take any pain or discomfort you're having in your lower back. Try that out, and that should help.